Hello, this is Yogesh from RisePOS by One Green Diary.
Let us learn about how production center accepts the order coming from their retailers. Let us say that you are a production center or a central kitchen or a manufacturing unit. You would log into the back office, you would click on stock control, and then you would go to the summary. Here you will see all your retail outlets, including your production unit. So you're going to select the production unit, Park Chowk Production, and let us say you are looking at orders of 16th of April and you click on get orders. So as a production unit you are going to get the orders, so those are going to be your incoming orders. So you would click on incoming orders and this is where you would see all your orders. In order to accept an order you can click on accept. You see all your items here and then you click on accept and the order will get accepted. This is how you will accept an order as a production unit, central kitchen, or a manufacturing unit.